parentheses, and tap on enter. 4 of my team members under digital marketing department, their total sales generated is 100,000+. Hi everyone, this is Neil Tan here. First of all, please make sure you go to Google Sheets, and in Google Sheets you can put in the information accordingly. For my case will be the team member's name, the business industry, and the sales results column. Now the first thing is I'm going to show you is to create your unique industry based on the business industry list here. As you can see, if I were to click on digital marketing, I'm going to search for digital marketing. You can see there are total of 4 results in this list. Now, in order for me to actually just list out a unique industry, which is digital marketing, and with other industry to be listed here uniquely, what I'm going to do is click on the box here. I'm going to tap on equals and key in unique. I'm going to put open parentheses, and here I'm going to highlight this business industry here from B2 all the way down to B24. Why? Is because I have a list of business industry up until 24. For your case, it could be more than 24, it could be 50, it could be 40, it could be 100, and so on. But for my case, an example will be until number 24. So that is where I'm going to highlight. As you can see, B2 all the way down to B24. Next is I'm going to close parentheses, and next I'm going to tap on enter. As you can see, now you have the unique industry based on the business industry list here. Now, if I were to add on new business industry, as I'm going to key in social media, or maybe I'm going to put in metaverse, it doesn't appear. So what should I do? Okay, let me show you. Now, all I'm going to do is let me just remove this list here first. Same thing, I'm going to key in equals unique, open parentheses, and I'm going to click on the B box here. Going to click on B, and you can see B, column B, close parentheses, and tap on enter. And now, okay, you can ignore this business industry because here it mentioned business industry. Because I select on B, this business industry will be highlighted as well. So I'm going to ignore that. And here is the most important thing. Now, let's say if I'm going to key in social media here, social media, I tap enter, you can see social media will automatically appear here. If I key in metaverse, you can see metaverse appear here as well. Okay, so this is how you create your unique industry. Now the next one is I'm going to talk about is how to use the filter function, where the data and the results would appear automatically based on your selection. Let's say I'm going to take digital marketing. For Windows users, you're going to Control C, and for Mac users, it's going to Command C. So I'm going to copy digital marketing. Okay, I'm going to copy this and I'm going to paste it here. So I'm using Mac, so I'm going to Command V. For Windows users, it's going to be Control V to paste. Alright, so Control C to copy, Control V to paste, or Command C to copy and Command V to paste. All I'm going to do here is I'm going to key in the formula, which is to first tap on equals, filter, open parentheses. Now I'm going to highlight the entire data here. Then here you can see I got the results from A2, okay, from weight all the way to C24, which is until this 32,400. Now next I'm going to tap on comma. Alright, you can see there's comma. The next is to highlight. Okay, highlight the results here. For my case will be the business industry. So you're going to highlight all this all the way to 24. But again, my list is up to 24. If your list is more than 24, could be 50, could be 100, you just highlight all of them. And for my case, I'm going to highlight to 24. And here I'm going to key in equals, and I'm going to tap on this E2. Okay, E2. I'll click on digital marketing, close parentheses, and tap on enter. Now you can see the results automatically appear. People who are under the digital marketing industry. So I have Dave, I have Raymond, Louis, and Blake. And I want to see what is the total results from these 4 team members. So I'm going to key in equals to sum, open parentheses. I just highlight these 4 columns here, close parentheses, and tap on enter. And now I can know that 4 of my team members under digital marketing department, the total sales generated is 100,000+. Alright, so this is how you use Google Sheets to create your unique industry list and as well as your filter list. Now, if I were to change the industry, let's say if I want to change to tourism, I tap on enter. The results will change automatically, as well as the total sales. Okay, let me just key in the total sales. You see that? Now if I were to change to, let's say, education, I tap on enter. The results will change automatically itself as well. Alright, so this is how you create the unique industry list and the filter function list. Alright, so I hope this is helpful for you, and I hope that this will help to make your life easier. If you found out that this is useful, this is valuable, please do subscribe to this channel, like this video, and please do share this to your friends, family, your colleagues, your partners, especially on your social media. Alright, so this will motivate me to actually create more videos like this. Alright, so that is all for this video. This is 101, and I'll see you in the next one.